In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the E4 error on your HP Deskjet printer. I'm using the Deskjet 2810E, but this applies to the 2600, 2700 and 2800 series as well. The E4 error means paper jam, so we'll check the main places where paper usually gets stuck. Important steps. 1. Press the cancel X button to stop the current print job. 2. Check the output area. Gently pull out any visible jammed paper. 3. Open the front access door. Wait for the ink carriage to stop moving. Then look for and remove stuck or torn paper. 4. Check the input paper tray, back or top. Remove the paper stack and look for pieces stuck inside. 5. Turn off and unplug the printer before continuing further. 6. Turn the printer upside down and open the bottom cleanout door by releasing both tabs. 7. Carefully remove any jammed paper you see inside. Pull slowly to avoid tearing the sheet. 8. Close the cleanout door, return the printer upright, reload paper correctly, and plug it back in. 9. Turn the printer on and try printing again.